How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of back pain between the shoulder blades, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Now, back pain between the shoulder blades, which is in this area right here, is actually known as your lower trap area. Believe it or not, your traps are a really big muscle group. A lot of people think your traps are just right in here, but they actually extend down your back. Like this area would be considered your middle traps, and you have a lower trap area too. So that area in between your back is going to be the trap area. Now, what is happening is you are doing something in your day-to-day life or even working out that is causing back pain in between that shoulder blade. Now, what we want to do is we want to, whatever you're doing that's causing that pain, we want to stop doing it. Now, you don't have to stop doing it forever. Just for a limited amount of time, we want to stop doing it. And what we want to do is we want to start strengthening that area in between the shoulder blades. And some great exercise to do that. First exercise I'm going to recommend is going to be a chin up. A chin up will work that area between the shoulder blades tremendously. Now, if you can't do a full chin up, what you can do is what's called assisted chin ups, where you would stand on a chair or anything, and you would start in the upper position of a chin up, and then you would just allow yourself to come all the way down. That's known as the negative chin up. So you can do those. Chin ups, amazing for developing that area. The next thing that you can do that works really good is doing what's called band pull-aparts. With a band, what you do is you get a resistance band, you would grab it like this, and then all you do is you pull it apart and you squeeze. What this does is this contracts the upper back or that area between the shoulder blades that is causing you that pain. So you grab the resistance bands and then you squeeze that upper back. Tremendous exercise. The next thing that we can do is barbell or dumbbell shrugs. Grabbing dumbbells, grabbing a barbell, and shrugging our shoulders up. When you do a shrug, the proper way of doing them is not rolling your shoulders forward. When you do a shrug, you should actually lift your shoulders up and then back to contract the back. That is the proper way of doing a shrug. Most people do shrugs very incorrectly. You do those three exercises, the chin-ups, the band pull-aparts, and the barbell or the dumbbell shrug, your back, your upper back, the area in between your shoulder blades is going to get so strong that you can then resume the activity that was causing you a little bit of discomfort. I guarantee you come back to that activity, your back's no longer going to be sore. So it's not really the activity or whatever you're doing that's causing you the back pain. It could just simply be your back, your upper back is just not strong enough yet. So you need to develop it, get it stronger, and then you can continue doing whatever you're doing that is causing currently that back pain. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching.